To install MobaXterm, click on the link, and then you're gonna be redirected to MobaXterm website. Just go on the free home edition, and then click download now. And make sure you click on the green one, the green icon, the installer edition. As soon as you click, the download's gonna start. I've done that already, so I have it here. Unzip the folder and then double click on the executable. Next, 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 and then install. Yes, and finish. So now you go ahead and open MOBA. Yep. Then as soon as you open, just go ahead and start local terminal and make sure you take note of this IP address here because you're gonna be used that a lot. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.